Have you ever felt like you could sense someone's thoughts? Imagine communicating without words, no text, no calls, just pure thought. That's telepathy, a concept that's fascinated humans for centuries. But is it real or just science fiction? In today's video, we'll dive deep into the origins of telepathy, its scientific possibilities, and the ethical concerns of mind-to-mind communication. By the end, you'll wonder, could telepathy shape our future? The term telepathy was coined in 1882 by Frederick Myers, a British scholar fascinated by the possibility of mind-to-mind communication. But the concept isn't new. Ancient spiritual systems, from Hinduism to Native American traditions, have long mentioned forms of mental connection. In the 20th century, scientists like J.B. Rhine tried to prove telepathy using experiments like the Zener cards test, where participants guessed symbols sent through supposed psychic waves. One of the most famous studies, the Ganzfeld experiment, attempted to test telepathy under controlled conditions. Participants were isolated, and one person attempted to send mental images to another. While results were mixed, they kept the dream of telepathy alive. Now let's step into the lab. What does modern science say about telepathy? So far, traditional telepathy hasn't been proven, but recent advancements in neuroscience and technology are closing the gap. In 2014, researchers successfully sent simple thoughts from one person to another using brain-computer interfaces. Through devices like EEG headsets, electrical signals from the brain were decoded and sent to another participant's brain. Another theory involves quantum entanglement, the idea that particles can instantly affect one another across distances. While fascinating, scientists have yet to prove its connection to telepathy. With companies like Neuralink working on brain-machine interfaces, the line between telepathy and technology is beginning to blur. Imagine a future where thoughts can be shared like text messages. But what if telepathy isn't supernatural at all? Psychology offers simpler explanations. For example, have you ever thought about someone and moments later they call or message you? It feels telepathic, but it's often just coincidence. Our brains are equipped with mirror neurons, cells that help us understand others' emotions and actions. These neurons may explain why we sometimes feel deeply connected to others, almost like reading their minds. In reality, telepathy might be heightened intuition or subconscious cues we pick up from people around us. What about the future? Could telepathy become a reality through technology? Experts believe we're not far from developing devices that can decode brain activity into words or images. This would revolutionize how we communicate. But here's the catch. If telepathy becomes real, how will we protect our private thoughts? Imagine a world where anyone could access your mind. The potential for misuse raises serious ethical concerns. As exciting as it sounds, the journey to telepathy will require balancing innovation with privacy and ethics. Telepathy has always straddled the line between science and imagination. While it's not proven yet, our advances in neuroscience and technology hint at incredible possibilities. So what do you think? Will telepathy remain a dream, or could it be part of our future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating journeys into the human mind.